Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making your Autocad drawing geographically aware. This matters because Google Earth relies on latitude and longitude. First, set drawing units and scale so measurements match real-world values. Then use the geolocation command or the map explorer to assign a coordinate system and a known lat/long. Pick a control point on your site. Once done, save a working copy and verify online map access because accurate CRS alignment prevents future misplacements in Google Earth. Next, focus on converting your geolocated geometry into KML or KMZ so Google Earth can read it. First, clean the model. Purge unused layers and ensure blocks have coordinates. Then use Map Export or an Autocad KML plugin. Choose 2D ground overlays for plans or 3D models with proper altitude settings for buildings. Make sure the exporter uses the same coordinate transform as your drawing and set label styles. This preserves scale, placement, and readable symbology when loaded into Google Earth. Finally, open Google Earth Pro and import the KML or KMZ you exported. Use File, Open, then inspect placement and altitude. You should verify scale by comparing known site features and check labels and icons for legibility. If objects are offset or at wrong elevation, re-export after adjusting the coordinate reference, units, or datum. Sometimes switching between meters and feet or changing the transform fixes it. One quick troubleshooting tip. If things are still off, confirm the original control point lat/long and apply a small manual translation in Autocad before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.